Hi everyone, and welcome back to So Blessed by Jess. And it's done. It's binded, which is a scrappy binding all the way around, which I absolutely love because you have to use every part of your scrap. I have probably maybe in total a fat quarter and a half left of fabric left from everything, and yeah, here she is. She's just so amazing. I'm loving her. I'm living with her. It was a fun adventure. Let's just say that. 24 days of making blocks. Was it exhausting? Maybe. Was my family a little bit like, why are you videoing again? Yes. But I got to spend some time with you guys and listening to your comments, or really not listening, reading your comments, seeing the joy that you had through the process of making it just really sparked something in me. And I will be doing this again. I am looking for a few things to do this year. Now don't hold me to it, but I'm not thinking about doing Vlogmas again, like in December, but I'm thinking about doing like birthday month, which is a few months before December. And so looking at like a quilt that I can't live without, that I need, that I want, and creating it with you. So we can have fun together doing that. So look forward to future videos that I am going to be telling my goals for 2025, because you know what, we are right here at the end. I thought about doing a compilation video of all the quilts that I made, but I don't know how interesting that would be, but it's okay because it's just me. It's just like, I don't know if people would be interested in everything that I've made. If I pulled you and looked you over into that closet right there, I could pull out quilts galore. But I do have quite a few goals that I want to accomplish this year. And the first goal, have fun. And we're going to talk about that when I get to the 2025 goal video. So yeah, it's going to be great. Oh, I'm going to put this on my bed and sleep with it. Oh my word, it's beautiful. I love it. Absolutely do. I'm so glad that I took this challenge, took this plunge in order to make this video for you. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put the picture of this whole quilt up for you so that you can see it in all of its glory. And we'll be on to the next thing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for all the comments and the love and just everything that has to go with it. You guys really inspire me to keep doing what I'm doing, because like I tell people, I am going to continue doing this until it's no longer fun anymore. Once the fun factor kind of fizzles out, I'll be fizzling out, because I don't see this as a job. I don't see this as our second job, or that I have to hurry up and create content. There's so many quilters out there, and I want to share the love with that too. I do have a couple, anywho, I won't go into that. 2025 videos coming. When you see the 2025 video, I'll go ahead and give you all of that juicy good stuff that I'm planning on doing. And it's quite a lot. I'm gonna have to pare it down a little bit. So thank you for coming along. Thank you for everything you do. Have a wonderful rest of the year. Please be safe during New Year's. It's in a couple days. Just please be safe while you're out there. Worry about the other people more, because the people out there, they're just crazy. Worry about the crazy people that's around you, because you can't control them. You can only control yourself. So anyway, until next time, I will see you again.